Tech Solver Hub.
Welcome to Tech Solver Hub. In this video, we'll show how to drastically reduce the risk of email-related cyber attacks like spoofing and phishing using SPF, DKIM and DMARC. If your domain sends email or even just receives it, this video is for you. Let's get started. Before we dive in, a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. Everything we're showing here is to help you protect your own infrastructure and raise awareness about email security. Misusing this knowledge is strictly discouraged, and you're responsible for how you apply it. Let's start with how email can be misused. Your address can be targeted in several ways. You might receive spam or phishing messages. Hackers might spoof your identity and send fake emails pretending to be you. In the worst cases, they could attach malware or malicious links that damage systems or steal data. Even if you didn't send it, your reputation could be affected. Spam isn't just annoying, it's dangerous. Spam messages can contain ads or scam promotions, chain letters that trick users into forwarding, phishing emails imitating trusted sources, attachments with malware, like docx files that execute code, URLs designed to trigger the download of malicious files. That's why email protection is not optional. Here's what happens behind the scenes when an email is sent. The receiving server checks, is this server allowed to send email for this domain? It consults the public DNS records of your domain. If you've set up SPF, DKIM, and DMARC properly, the message passes the check. Otherwise, it may be rejected or flagged as suspicious. Let's break down the 3 pillars of email authentication. SPF specifies which servers are allowed to send emails for your domain. DKIM digitally signs each message so the recipient knows it wasn't altered. DMARC combines the results of SPF and DKIM and tells mail servers what to do if either fails. It also lets you receive reports about your domain's email activity. These are real examples of how SPF, DKIM, and DMARC appear in your DNS. SPF record declaring trusted IPs. DKIM public key for verifying signatures. DMARC policy, quarantine, reject or allow, with reporting options. Each record gives your domain a layer of identity and trust online. Even after DNS checks, email goes through another filter. Anti-spam and antivirus software. File and content scanning. Sandboxing suspicious attachments, but remember, all these happen after your domain has passed DNS authentication. Only DNS layer protection can stop impersonation before it reaches the inbox. Be careful with attachments, even from people you know. Here's how to stay safe. If you didn't expect it, verify with the sender. Calculate the SHA-256 hash of the file. On Windows, get file hash. On Linux, SHA-256-SUM. On macOS, SHA-SUM-A256. Then check the hash on virustotal.com. Also, never enable macros or active content unless you're absolutely sure the file is safe. Have any questions? Want us to go deeper into DNS configuration or email monitoring? Leave a comment. We love answering questions and hearing your stories. If this video helped you secure your email setup, subscribe to Tech Solver Hub, leave a like, and share it with someone who runs a domain. Together, let's make email safer for everyone.
For this video, for you. See you in the next video.